Hi guys, here I want to show you how you can print out HTML tags. So as you can see, we have a string here that's getting printed out. But what we want to do is print out the tags. Obviously, we have a bold tag and we have a italic tag. So thing you need to do is you need to remove this value and instead use a directive called innerHTML. And make that equal to the value you want to print out. So in this case, value stored, save this. And as you can see, Angular prints out the tags now. So Michael is bold and this is cursive. Remember to use the inner HTML directive if you want to print out tags. Thanks, that's it guys. Hope you liked this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.